Alright, it is race day. It's freezing. And I'm getting suited up to go out on the track with an unproven car with very proven cars. And I hope it does well, because if not, it's going to make for a really long day. But anyway, the car's ready to go. I just checked the valve lash again, readjusted it a little bit, and I'm going to put my race suit on and get out there. So let's get to it. Here we go.
You'll be released to the back of the pack when we go green.
Okay, thank you. This Z4 and I are going back and forth. He's faster on the back half and I'm faster on the front half.
Yeah.
I can tell he's getting pissed at me because I'm like looking at what?
Got a bunch of oil in the ECU. There's a hole. You need anything? Hole in the firewall where the oil's coming in.
Look at that, dude. I wondered why my foot got slippery. Look at the center tunnel. Not to mention, there's a back here.
Those rings serviced?
Are they serviced?
Yeah. We had the blow-by issue. Did we ever get new rings?
I don't think we had it.
We had blow-by before, right?
On the other, oh.
We had blow-by on this engine. We got the head decked and the bottom end decked. We do anything with the pistons.
Oh, that's an oversight. That's a big oversight. After the next, man. What was it?
So Brett, so it basically cuts out.
Okay, you're full.
Is that what that is? My latest camper vlog entry. We've got some serious blow-by. Basically, we had an engine this time last year for this race that we had a set of bad piston rings in. So we took that engine apart, laid everything out. I went and got all new stuff for it. Well, somehow the rings were an oversight, so we're basically in square one. Car makes good power. It's a lot of fun, but it keeps overflowing the catch can. There's a bunch of vapor coming out. So what we're gonna do now is steal the rings out of the engine from yesterday, throw them in this engine, and then hopefully it runs. But the good news is the overheating issue is solved. It was running 173 degrees, like static, stayed right there, it was static. So that's really good. The highest I saw was like 175. So 2 degrees up and down at 175, wide open, pretty good. So cooling issues solved. Now, sadly, we have to break the head gasket apart again. We have a new head gasket and we have some rings from a good engine we're gonna throw in there and see if we can get that to get us through this weekend. And then when we're done, we have new rings coming that we're just gonna put in the engine. So anyway, here's a time lapse of us taking the head off, the oil pan off, and the pistons out of this engine so that we can get it put back together and get back out on the track today. So here we go.
someone hit me in the right door, and I went backwards into the wall coming out of the S's. So I just need a once over. If it looks all right, I'm going back.
How did it feel after you?
It drove straight and felt fine, but I didn't try it. I was just getting comfortable, and some guy lost his ass and then came and hit me.
Oh no!
Passed me on the outside.
All right,
The Scion.
yeah. All right, no biggie. She needed a new paint job, anyways.
Yeah.
Yep.
We good?
I think we just need to send it.
Hey, if it feels all right, keep it out there.
All right.
Damn it, dude.
Hey, Brad. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey.
Dude, she runs like a dream.
Awesome.
I was so pissed off when that guy hit me.
Yeah,
I'm like, it's
yeah.
just f***ing over.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. Okay. All right, you need out? Yep.
What was it?
It's the fucking, like, hinge bolt came loose. Now there's a nut rolling around somewhere. It looks like a 14mm nut.
Like one of the ones that were missing already?
That's
That's bigger.
Dude, it's got to be on the floor somewhere, doesn't it?
the end of day one.
Dude, that was f***ing worth it.
Do we
Yeah.
look better than them?
Not much. No, we didn't fare better. They still have a nicer product.
Damn it.
Yeah, this car is pretty torn up. Still works. Oh, almost. Can you hit it down low? All right, almost. Not bad, not bad.
We got dead blow hammer, right?
We do.
There you go.
Actually, the whole corner got pushed forward.
Yeah, it did,
Probably
didn't it?
everything's.
Everything got moved forward.
Somehow that brake light, that Amazon brake light,
So here,
didn't break.
so if you look,
Since there's no dust flukes, there could have been a lot of junk.
that's what I was thinking too. Is that
Some dookie,
I'm wondering if
a little bit of
in
brake
future,
dookie.
before we push that back in, if we need to douche it out with some brake clean.
Douching is highly recommended.
Douching
yes.
the piston.
The piston, yeah. Before we shove that, because basically there's no dust flute to keep all the shit out.
Right.
James Bush.
So we basically shoved the piston back in.
This
with
is my
whatever
nightmare.
was on that piston or in that area back in. So before we shove the piston back in, we should douche it to get all the shit out of it.
Yep.
Because
And
we
then
are French.
that way we don't potentially have that issue where
Push
we're
contamination through the seal.
We're pushing contamination through the seal.
Can I have the douche can?
Can a douche?
Douche in a can?
Well,
I didn't know you were French.
Actually,
I've never heard of the term diet brake fluid, but I'm interested.
I like it now.
Parking lot swap.
Floss and brush all at once.
This thing just backfired. Floss, brush, and remove. Alright. Let's get some more. These bolts were loose. This front brake was wild from start to finish.
Who did that?
I don't know. We never took them off over the off season. They stayed on there the whole time. So it was at Nelson before Nelson, and then those pads were probably they were probably
Those were Nelson pads because Nelson was kind of easy on brakes.
Pre-Nelson. It had to
Well-
have been into VIR.
Yeah, I was gonna
think
say
those pads are
those are VIR rotors, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's why I went and burnished them on Turkey Burger. Because we were going to VIR and I wanted to make sure we had good pads because I wanted to bomb that back straightaway. You know, the minute I learned that we could tear up BMWs, I was just drunk with power. I'm gonna give these a couple extra snuggins.
I just don't know if I have D2 or not. I got D2,
95 Accord,
D2.
07 TSX,
Yeah,
04 Mini Cooper base, 98 Civic big brake kit. Super fast. This braked up
Is it sad or
is straight up anxiety.
you want to tuck? It can be tucked.
Need to tuck it right there.
Oh, it used to be tucked to that hanger.
The
The
intercooler pipe got in the way. Yeah, it's. I don't know, man. The whole side of this car changed shape. I don't even know who we are anymore.
yeah, Scion messed everything up.
I gotta throw that video in there. Should I throw it in right here?
putting modeling on the stainless at all, or just shoved in?
They just showed in.
Should I smack the camera? Whoop-ash!